These are the cutest cat treats I've ever seen. They're Hello Kitty, and my cats are gonna try them. Are you excited? Does that smell yummy? Look how cute the little Hello Kitty is. Coconut has to wait outside. Now it's Cherry's turn. Cherry. You dropped it. Coconut is horrible at eating big treats. He doesn't know how to chew, so I'm gonna break it up for him. No Coco. Jake. Spin. Coco. Spin.